Today on CJ Off-Road, we're going to show you how to add some protection and a sleek look to your Ram. Rocks and road debris can really damage your paint over time with chips and scratches, so today we're going to add some extra protection to our 2015 Ram with these Mopar Splash Guards. These are Mopar's Deluxe molded splash guards for the front and rear of your 2011 to 18 Ram. They're genuine Mopar products made of high-quality OEM materials, and they're designed to perfectly fit your Ram without the factory fender flares to add some protection and a nice sleek look. For more information and pricing, click the links in the description down below. Now let's get to the install. Tools you'll need for this installation: 8mm socket, 1/4 inch ratchet, 13mm socket, 3/8 ratchet, T20 Torx bit, trim panel removal tool, a Phillips screwdriver, 3 30-seconds drill bit, a drill, and safety glasses. Alright, this install is pretty simple. The first thing we need to do, since this is a 2015 Ram, we need to remove the factory splash guard right here. There's 2 8mm screws on the front that need to be removed. And it's good to note that we do have the steering wheel turned all the way to the left to give us a little bit more clearance while we're working on this driver's side. Then on the bottom there's a screw clip that needs to be removed. There's a clip that comes attached to the splash guard from the factory. You need to cut that off. The splash guard can now be installed onto the truck. You're going to secure it here and here with the 2 factory screws. For this top hole, we need to drill a 3 30-seconds hole. Then install the provided screw. Then there's one more bolt that has to be installed on the bottom. Okay, now we'll just repeat the same process for the other side, and then we can move on to the rear. Just like on the front, we have to remove the rear splash guard. There's 2 8mm screws that hold it on the front. Then there's 2 T20 Torx screw clips on the bottom of the mud guard, but they're pretty hard to remove with the Torx bit because they usually strip, so you can just pop them out with a trim panel removal tool or a flathead screwdriver. Alright, then the splash guard can come off. This 8mm screw can be removed as well. The rear splash guard can now be installed. We're going to secure it here and here with the factory screws. Then install the provided screw on the bottom. For this next step, you either need to remove the wheel or use a right angle drill bit and then drill a 3 30-seconds hole right here. Then install the screw into the hole that you just drilled. Okay, repeat the process for the other side and you're done. Okay, we got our front and rear Mopar splash guards installed on our 2015 Ram. It gave it a nice sleek look, and it's going to give it a lot more protection from rocks and road debris. Install was pretty straightforward. It should probably take you about an hour and a half to do this, and before you know it, you'll be heading off-road.